And welcome to Christy's journey to the Olympia. And now I'm gonna do a 21 days NouFit lifestyle retreat. Basically my own retreat. I'm in my swimsuit so you can see the difference. Day one, after living 1 month more or less the so-called normal life, eating what most of the people eat, exercising very little, being stressed with the insignificant things at a normal job, looking probably like 10 years older. Managed to sleep a little bit today though. And yeah, so I decided to do a full reset and to take you with me and show you the benefits. What does this NouFit lifestyle retreat means? And this is how I start day one. You can tell, so this is how I look relaxed, and this is how my belly looks if I suck it in. You can see my legs, arms, everything. Day one. And I will take you with me and show you also what I'm eating, what I'm doing. Do I exercise? Do I go for walks? Where do I go? How much exercise I do? So you can see basically transformation, body, mind and soul from my own experience basically, and having me as as the main character for this NouFit lifestyle retreat. Since this is what I know that I want to do in my life, to help as many people as I want to become their best selves, body, mind and spirit, I'm starting with myself. And maybe you know all these things that happened lately, and basically it took me back a bit because I was in a very good state, both body, mind and spirit, and 1 month can make also amazing changes in a bad way if you're in the wrong place and mindset. But you can see also that 21 days can be a great startup for anyone who wants to improve and look and feel their best. So this is how I look day one. I will also show you, as I told you, what I eat every day and what kind of activities I do. Basically all the things that I love and I know that are good for me. And let's see, how will I look and how will I feel day 21. See you soon to show you what I'm gonna eat today. I already started in the morning. I had some, what did I have? I had some eggs, the typical breakfast that I have, some eggs. And now I will show you, I'll have an avocado protein shake mousse smoothie type of snack. And from tomorrow on I will actually stick properly to my diet, make the food in advance and all these kind of things. So looking forward to start this journey and to feel again amazing. See you soon with the food and exercises and everything else. Going also right now for a walk on the beach. Important thing that I want to let you know, I'm starting on a Wednesday, and no, I didn't start from the morning, but I just felt like I don't feel well physically, mentally, emotionally, that I need to do this now. I'm not gonna wait for tomorrow, for Monday, for nothing else. Today is the day when I go back to the authentic, happy me. So I will show you now a snack that I'm gonna have right now. It's around 1:30 and I'm gonna go afterwards for a walk on the beach. I will show you how long it will be and the nice scenery. But before, you'll see my little snack. So I put 1 scoop of this Prozis whey protein powder, half of avocado, a little bit of banana, 40 grams of oats, and I'm making myself a smoothie mousse. Let's see what's gonna turn out. This is what I have. It doesn't mean that for everybody it's gonna work the same. That's why in general everything is and has to be personalized. This is my delicious snack. Enjoying it in the hammock on the ZFit Oasis terrace, and then going for a walk, maybe even swim, let's see, at the beach. Delish. A little bit of banana, avocado, protein, 2 cubes of ice, and some amazing berries on top. Beach walks and nature walks are really pure therapy. Most likely will definitely go inside the water for a little swim. Little swim and 10 session before the walk actually. Minutes walk. I don't know if you can see, almost at Luma, and I'm gonna stop a little bit for some more swim, and then 40 minutes back. So I don't know if you can see, 41 minutes coming back, and then we did 35 minutes going. So about an hour and 15 minutes of a walk. Now we'll go and do some grocery shopping to prepare some food and have also for tomorrow. And then in the evening I will do yin yoga before going to sleep. So to keep it completely honest, I do drink sometimes, very rarely, some of these drinks. This is called Tinto de Verano. Kind of like a sangria without alcohol. No, not bad, it's good. Like grapes juice with lemon, basically. 60 calories, this 330 milliliters. And I had also in the morning an empanada with tuna and like vegetables. This was day 1, and now I'm gonna have ciorba de perișoare. I had one portion earlier as well. Keeping it real. Delicious dinner time. My homemade ciorba de perișoare. I put 6 little perișoare with borscht, of course, and then salad with sardines, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, 50 grams of my delicious baked fries, and my drink with the salad and the fries, blueberries, cold tea, homemade with some lemon. Delicious. Bon appetit. And now also day one, I'm preparing for tomorrow. Turkey basically means turkey with 1 egg, carrot, onion, and I'm gonna make kind of like some hamburgers, let's say so, in the oven. And I'll pair them with sweet potato, or actually with the potato that I baked in the oven today. That's gonna be probably my post-workout. So I added also a bit of the 7 spices, and this is how they look. I'm gonna put them in the oven, probably like 25 minutes. I usually check after like 10-15 minutes, and then I turn them on the other side. And you can decide if you want them more cooked or less, depending how you prefer them. And I will have them ready for tomorrow. 10 a.m. and ready to go to sleep, super tired. I'm gonna skip yin yoga because I'm too tired. I'm just gonna shower, wash my face, and then just do in bed some breathing exercises, breathing through the belly, counting my blessings and thinking of the things that I'm grateful for, and also of the things that are manifesting, are on the way. And you will see slowly how I'm getting back to being me, the happy, healthy, vibrant Christina that you know. Because right now, as you can tell from my face, it's just uncomfortable. And yeah, we need sometimes maybe, you know, these things to realize that we have to listen to ourselves, not to others. And if they didn't manage to heal and grow, we don't need to go back to their level. We have to take them to our level, and if they're not willing to do so, it's okay. Let them be and continue with our improving and growth, and, you know, surround ourselves with people who want to evolve and grow. It is what it is. Okay, I'm going to sleep and see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining me in this journey.